and welcome to the Cisco Circle of Excellence Awards powered by CNBC TV18 and Money Control, an award show that recognizes the resilient efforts of chief information officers across the globe who've made significant contributions to the acceleration of digital transformation and led their organizations to Indian bank struggles were no different from any other bank during the pandemic. With the looming concern of cybersecurity and data bandwidth during work from home, Deepak Sarda had to think quickly, which he did and led the merging of network post-amalgamation using Cisco Professional Services and deploying Cisco ACI. This will further enable Indian Bank to scale out as per their need without changing the network architecture in near-future network traffic optimization. Deepak Sarda is our next and final winner of the Cisco Circle of Excellence in the Platinum category.
I would like to thank jury for selecting me for this prestigious award under Platinum category. To begin with, I would like to give a small brief about my organization, Indian Bank. Indian Bank is having 6,000 plus branches across India, spanning across India, with 5,500 plus ATMs, passbook kiosks, and 9,000 BC locations who are serving rural India with online banking. To begin with, I would like to inform that Government of India has amalgamated Allahabad Bank with Indian Bank to have a perfect mix of north and south based banking entities so that it can cover entire geography of India. And it was a perfect amalgamation in all the respect because software, hardware, everything was similar at both the banks. With respect to network also, it is also, we have seen that the central location, the hardware were from Cisco at Indian Bank also and at Allahabad Bank also. So to have integration, it was little bit easier compared to if it would have been a heterogeneous equipment. However, it is complex to have a central location integrated without the support and help of Cisco, the OEMs who are much aware about their equipments. So we have emphasized to our top management and got services of Cisco for implementation as well as the equipments directly from Cisco at our data center and at DR site also. With predominantly it was implementation of software-defined network SDN at our data center, and we are going ahead and implementing SD-WAN also in our all the branches, which will have double benefit of utilizing the availability of infrastructure within the branches to with respect to lease lines available in the branches. We have identified Cisco because of the experience what we had earlier and Allahabad Bank was also having earlier. The purpose of selecting Cisco ACI was to ensure that it is scalable. Operationally, it is much simpler and it should give the cost, whatever return on the cost, whatever has been invested by the bank, and it should sustain for nearly 5 to 6 years so that we could recover the amount which we have spent, considering the cost as well as the effort and the manpower which we are going to put in for the next 5 to 6 years. The major advantage what we observed was the migration from older network switches to newer ACI was very smooth and we hardly had any problem. And our amalgamation of both the banks with respect to data merger, with respect to network merger has happened smoothly without any concern and any complaints from any of the quarters. I would like to thank CNBC TV18 for organizing this event, and we look forward for having a better business relationship going forward in future for implementing newer technologies as what we have implemented Cisco ACI, which is from Cisco. Thank you.